Why do I look so pale? It's like so annoying.
Because you're sitting next to me.
True.
Let's...
The bruise?
Who hit you?
God.
Who hit you?
No
Tell
one.
me.
It was archery.
You don't do archery. Tell me who hit you. Do you want me to hit him? Oh. So today, guys. Oh wait.
We just started.
I should probably
introduce me to the people that don't know who I
For
am.
the 3 people that should have never met him. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today.
That's a shitty intro. Do it more
It was
excited.
bad. Let's
Be
get
more
in.
excited. Be more uppity. I'm here in your house. You should be excited.
You're
Well, he's here.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of with Manny.
Kind of.
Yeah.
I mean, it is.
Yeah, he's gonna go away in a second because I'm gonna do this look and he's gonna do my voiceover.
I'm so excited to fuck you up.
Oh, bitch.
I'm like, Laura's gonna be taking some shit on some shit. She needs that coverage. The thumbnail.
I'm gonna do a look. He's gonna do the voiceover for it. A long time ago, Ty did this for me. It was real funny. So,
Really?
I like to count to 100 when I'm doing this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Did you just say cocaine?
No.
Ty, you can't say that.
Comment is no man down below.
Ty.
Well, I would say. Of course, it's me better than yours. I do everything better than you, Ty.
This is what I deal with 24/7. Just so you
Too
know.
much testosterone.
In this room, I am not enough woman for all this.
Talking about you, too much testosterone.
Yeah, and don't forget to head over to Manny's channel because what are we filming?
We're gonna be filming a little spelling bee. I just think it'd be so funny because I feel like you can't spell, and I also
know
can't
you
spell.
specifically picked me for this
I did. No, I
challenge.
did specifically. I 100% did. Because I feel like me and Laura both cannot spell to save our lives.
We
So I think it'd be
can't.
kind of funny to do a spelling bee just to see how stupid we really are.
Subscribe to both of us because we're really amazing.
We're phenomenal.
Phenomenal. You're just gonna let me film that.
Oh fuck! I didn't even notice that.
When do you eat cilantro?
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe!
Get Manny's texture.
No.
Show them what
I don't have
you're
any.
made of.
What texture?
Bitch.
Hey guys, oh my god. I'm so funny. I'm going to be taking this primer and rubbing it in like really hard so that you can literally see like all my wrinkles. Oh, fan it. Y6. I've never heard of this brush before in my life, but use code Manny MUA to go ahead and apply this NARS foundation all over. Oh my god, swipe it. Go, swipe or no swiping. We're gonna go ahead. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. What is wrong with me? Anyways, I'm gonna apply it everywhere and look dead inside because, you know, that's just who I am. NARS oh, this is the best shit I've ever used. Just apply it on the top of the... Okay, we're doing 2. I'm being really extra today. So anyway, we're going to be applying 2 concealers right over the mustache area because I have a lot of hair, which is fine. We all do. We're just going to pat that into the eye. And we're going to be using this powder. And she's going to be baking. Set it and for fucking get it. And we're really going to just set this face in like really hard. Just pounce it into the face. I don't know what I'm even saying right now. Literally, all I know is that I'm saying,
Hi, I'm ugly. My name's LAURALEE.
anyway, now we're going to be taking this brow pencil and putting it through our brows. We have really tiny brows, so we really want to, you know, emphasize that we weren't given gifts from God. Oh my God, I have the cutest little palette called Boss Babe. Use this neutral shade. It's so cute. Look at that. That literally looks like heaven, like a little sunset angel. And then we're going to take this other gorgeous orange shade. Oh my God. Have you ever seen such a beautiful orange shade? I've never have in my whole life. Oh, now we're taking gold. Shook. And we're taking this on a little brush. We could use it on our finger, but you know, I want to be extra and try to get that coin from Morphe. So we're going to definitely use this brush. And we're going to pack it on. And like, honestly, I'm really talented at doing a copper eye nude lip. And, you know, Manny does that too. But, you know, this is about me. And, yeah, we're going to be taking this little liner and taking it all the way up, you know, liner to Jesus. Oh, I'm going to mess up a little bit, but it's fine. You can't tell. Mascara. Anyway, oh, now we're taking something else. Oh, we want to be extra dramatic on the brow bone and on the inner corner because we want to really, And now we're applying some lashes. Wow, I'm going so fast. I know I have a little face, but god damn. Spit it out, spit it. Chocolate matte Soleil all over the carita because obviously this face is tiny and I'm using basically an eyeshadow brush. Oh, I can't blend. We're using an eyeshadow brush basically for this face because honestly, I have a little head and it's the shape of a little pea. So we're gonna keep going and we're just gonna take it down the neck to emphasize this long ass neck. Oh, blush. Oh my god, we need blush for real. Blush. I'm a pretty princess in blush and it looks so good. ew, my complexion looks so nice. Whatever, like, y'all can hate me, fight me. But anyway, now we're gonna go and apply some highlighter. What highlighter are we using? Oh my God, is it a secret? Why am I not showing it? What the F? Oh, and put a little bit on my nose, even though my nose is tiny and, you know, like mousy already. Lucky me, woo! Now we're gonna shake this shit out of this Fix Plus Gold Light, and we're gonna spray it all over the face. And luckily, oh, in the ear too? Oh, devastating. I'm devastated. Please fix it. Thank you so much. I'm fixing my under eye because I need to. Because look at this eye. Are you kidding? It's a joke. And now we're gonna take the same gorgeous warmth sunset underneath the eye. This Boss Babe palette is wonderful. You can use code Manny MUA on the Boss Babe palette. Just kidding, no you can't. But buy it on the site, it's wonderful. Oh, the Marc Jacobs liners, are you kidding me? On the waterline is perfection. It is perfection. She's using this on purpose. I mean, I'm using this on purpose because I know Manny loves it. But anyways, now we're doing the lower lashes, even though I shouldn't because my lower lashes are gonna like literally transfer, but it's fine. It's not blended enough, but we'll just keep on going. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. We're gonna be using some lipstick now, and we're gonna be taking this nude lipstick because obviously my name's Laura, nude lipstick, and Copper Eye Lee. But it's totally fine because literally look at these lips, they're gorgeous. Oh, we're gonna do an ombre. I wanna switch it up. We're switching it up, and a liquid lipstick, you're kidding. You're kidding. I mean, I must be kidding. This is a little excessive, I'm not gonna lie. Push the lashes to Jesus. Oh, I'm so pretty. Oh, I'm such a goddess. Oh my goodness. Yeah, woo! Oh, a lion. Oh my God, that was so fucking hard.
Amazing.
We're phenomenal.
Phenomenal, honestly. 5 stars.
Goddesses.
Oscar winners. Goddesses.
Sure.
Manny, spell moon.
B.
Okay, pause.
And you have another one right there. I just realized right now it's orange.
Oh,
Wait, this?
right here?
Yeah.
I can't suck because I'm trying not to laugh.
There you go, it's gone.
Is it?
Yeah. That was hideous.